This is the front page of the website we are going to reset. After the process is complete, the front page would be different from what it is now. But ensure you back up your site before the reset. See our tutorial on how to back up your website. To begin, head to your dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add Plugins. Type Reset in the right search bar. From the first result, click Install Now. Then, click Activate. Click WP Reset Tools. Refresh the page to remove this prompt. Then scroll down. You can opt to reactivate the site theme and active plugin after reset is complete. Then type Reset in small letters. Then click Reset Site. Click Reset WordPress. The process is now ongoing. The site reset is now complete. As you can see, WordPress has been reinstalled. Now we are going to refresh the front page. This is how the site now looks, with a new WordPress installed. So that's how to reset your WordPress site, without reinstalling WordPress. Thank you for watching.